folks, this is beautiful Sunday weekend here, Hampton, Maine. As you see, there's a snowstorm already going out here, starting tonight till tomorrow, Monday, 10 p.m. Expecting snow 6 to 12 inch. So this Sunday weekend, and this is truck stop. Everybody taking a nice break. Look at this, already piled up a whole bunch of snow. I guess a couple of weeks ago had a whole bunch of snow came already. Little mountain here, build it up, so it's gonna have another 12 inch maximum snow. Storm morning, Sunday night till Monday 10 p.m. Expecting maximum 12 inches snow. So when you're driving coming to Maine, very careful, folks. Already right now is 11 p.m. Gets already 2-3 inches snow already piled up. So snow storm alert here, Maine stays. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, folks. God bless you. Have a wonderful Sunday weekend. Bye.